What's up everyone, welcome back to the channel. Guys, in this video I've introduced you the best cryptocurrency exchange. So let's get it started. Guys, before starting the video, if you're new here, make sure to subscribe the channel and press the bell icon. While I upload a new video, you should be the first one to get its notification. So guys, in this video I will introduce you the best cryptocurrency exchange. So guys, I will show you how you can sign up on this platform and how you can complete the KYC verification. Each and everything about this cryptocurrency exchange I will cover in this video, so keep watching this video till the end. Guys, I will provide the link of this cryptocurrency exchange. So guys, if you join this cryptocurrency exchange using this below down link, so guys, you will be able to get commission. That is the thing that I can offer you. This is the best cryptocurrency exchange where you can buy and sell cryptocurrency exchange with lowest fee. There is guys get.io. Right now I am on the main window. You can see guys the sign up category. There is the sign up option that you can see guys. You can sign up to get.io using your email address and your phone. Guys, if you are using email, so simply you have to enter your email address, enter the 8 characters long password, select your country that you are living there, and click on accept user agreement and privacy policy. Once you get forward to the next window, therefore you have to complete your KYC verification. The very main thing that you have to complete the KYC verification, and you need to complete that. So guys, once you have completed your KYC verification, you will be able to trade, or you will be able to deposit the USDT or trade cryptocurrency on this platform. So guys, once you have completed, this is the main window. You can log into the email address using your phone number, using your email address, and using your username. Guys, this is my account inside the get.io. You can see guys 11.61 billion, that is, you can see guys, traded 3,800 cryptocurrencies plus 22 million plus user registered. That is right now 12.8% simple and an APR. You can even stake on this platform. So guys, there are main thing about the Launchpool, about the holding tokens. So guys, keep watching this video till the end. The next platform, once you completed your KYC verification, guys, this is the best thing that you can get partnership with this platform. Get.io spring renewal celebration, 15,000 in partner prizes. This event will end in 1 day, 33 hours and 13 minutes. So guys, how you can join, I will provide these links in the below down description. So simply click on join now option, and you are see that you are currently registered. Guys, you have to complete the KYC verification. That is the main thing inside this platform, that you need to complete the KYC verification using your ID card, driving license and passport. That is the thing that you can see guys. There is activity registered to win welcome gift. New user who registered through KOLS exclusive link and complete identity verification will receive $5. That is, you can see, deposit on trade to win rewards. Users who complete their first deposit of no less than $50 or complete any sport features trading with a volume of less than 200 will receive $5 to $10. This is the reward that you can see guys inside the get.io platform. There is guys holder airdrop, hold GT and get massive airdrops. There is, you can see guys, 31.68 million cumulative airdrops, 368.4k plus participant, 203 project launch. You can click on subscribe now, subscribe successfully guys, you can see that. And guys, the next thing is Launchpool. The main thing that you can earn from this platform: quick stacking and potential new tokens. 243.4 million staked, 14.31 billion fund raised, 4.41 million plus participants, 204k 47k estimated total rewards. This is something, this is all about the Launchpool. You can see guys, all Launchpool is 202 project is available in the Launchpool. The very first one, you can see GT pool, SIREN pool, BTC pool, KAI pool, And guys, each and everything that you can see, it is about the launch pool. The next thing is you can notice that right now in progress is KI, BTC pool, and GT pool, SIREN pool. There you can notice the upcoming, and this is the ended 198 projects is completely ended on this category. There is you can search about the launch pool also. What is launch pool? The complete information about the launch pool of get.io. So guys, this is the get.io launch pool, newly added SIREN, stake SIREN and GT to earn rewards delivered in real time. There you can see guys, the project is already live here. The project is already in progress. This is SIREN guys, that you can notice. If you stake, there is, you can see guys, the stake SIREN reward coin 367.82% amount. You can select the max SIREN. There is, you can see guys, personal remaining code, that is you can see, and auto transfer the stake funds to simple and to earn interest after staking, and then you have to click on confirm. You can stake SIREN token to earn daily profit on this platform. So guys, let's have cover about the SIREN, stake SIREN and GT to earn rewards delivered in real time. If you stake SIREN and GT to earn rewards, there is, you can see guys, SIREN will be launched on get.io launch pool. Stake SIREN and GT to earn SIREN token rewards every hour. Airdrop details: staking period March 21, 2025 and March 24, 2025. Total stake rewards is 500,000 SIREN. There is total staking rewards, each and everything is stake to earn. There you can click on stake to earn option. As in previous window I guide you, unlocking rule 100% unlock get.io launch pool supports early staking for users. You can stake your assets before the project starts to ensure you start earning rewards as soon as the project launch. Reward distribution, and there is how to participate. There is each and everything is guided, project information, notes, each and everything about this project is done. So guys, you can stake trade SIREN now. You can even have buy and sell this project on this platform if you want to stake. There is, you can see guys, token stake, price pool, hourly cap, that you can notice that. So overall, this is the token that you can buy, that SIREN USDT, or you can stake GT token to earn SIREN in airdrop. That is the best thing inside this. This is KII, Cardia chain is a public chain focusing on interoperability and leads the blockchain competition in the Vietnam's market by providing public-private mixed blockchain solutions architectures for large enterprises and government agencies. The purpose of the project is to build a complete blockchain. There you can see guys, mining period is 8 days. Total stake 1519 BTC. Individual hourly reward cap, that you can notice that. APR is 1.91%. And guys, you can trade KAI if you stake BTC. So guys, you will be able to earn KAI token. Total stake is about this much, and total APR is 192.4%. and you can stake this token also. This token is also available for buying and selling on get.io. You can buy this token and stake to earn 192.4%. so guys, you are guided on the holding token of the get.io and on the launch pool, that currently 2 best project is now available for the airdrop inside the launch pool. So guys, and you know how to sign up and how to register on get.io. I will provide the link of this exchange, the best exchange, in the below down comments description. So simply click on the link and register to the get.io. So guys, keep in mind that this project is going to be ended in 3 days and 19 hours. So guys, before that's too late, so have registered to the get.io platform and stake the token to earn daily profit. So I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If the video was useful, thumbs up the video, share your nice comments in the below down comment section, and thanks for watching. God bless you. I will catch you in the next one.